Part 1. Product Components. As you can see, there is the user manual and trace form. Emergency key. Bolts. Strikes. Battery. Shaft. Mortise. RF key tag. Main body. Front body. Part 2. Tools for installing. Drill. Hole saw 32 inches. 4 mm drill tip. Screwdriver. Part 3. Measuring door thickness. Door should be between 40 mm to 50 mm in thickness. Part 4. Setting mortise left and right direction. Currently it is in left-hand setting. To change to right-hand setting, just remove the cover and turn the latch bolt in opposite direction. Part 5. Mortise assembly. After inserting the mortise cable, fix the position by putting the bolts. Part 6. Marking the holes. Match the hole location of the left and right holes of the mortise with the trace form. Mark the hole location. Part 7. Procedure in drilling the holes. Make a small hole on the marked location using a drill, then drill with a 32 mm hole saw. Part 8. Fixing the shaft. Insert through the hole upward. Secure the position by placing the ring clip on the other side. Part 9. Installing front body. After setting to left or right hand position, insert the front body cable through the hole. Then place matching with the handle shaft. Insert the front body cable and mortise cable through the plate. To hold the place, put the bolts loosely, check the position, then tighten the bolts to fix. Part 10. Installing main body. After setting the main body to left or right hand position, plug the front body and mortise cable in its place. Then fix the main body by placing the bolts. Part 11. Smart key registration procedure. Open battery compartment cover. Press registration button. Check if the number pad lights up. Place key tag to be registered on the sensor. Press registration button, and registration is complete. Part 12. Pin number registration. After pressing registration button, and registration is complete. Part 13. Opening door by smart card. While door is closed, place registered key tag or card on the card sensor and the door will open. Part 14. Opening door by pin number. While door is closed, place palm on number pad. Enter pin number. Press start button. Part 15. Opening door by emergency key. While door is closed, open emergency key cover. Insert emergency key and the door will open. Part 16. Password hide feature. To protect the PIN number from being exposed, press a series of random numbers before pressing the registered PIN number and the door will open. Use this feature to protect your PIN number.